buzzer, all set. Boses on promise one. Let's get it on. Simple lang tapon, pero hindi ko manay kayo mga kaibigan. 14 ng Greece, samantang number 8 ECJ. 2 points in 14 ng Chess dito sa magkabilang team. At nakakadalawang puntos pa lamang Team Japan. Biglang uuna. Itong si Boss Ralph Makula, 14 ng Japan. And na po yung nagkasalpukan for that offensive rebound. Venturillo attack. Good for 2 points. In timeout. Din po ito, 14 ng Japan. Makula Ralph, atake mula kay Seiya. The jumper by the veterans. Good for 2 points. 8-0 score. By Khalil Amamang sa kanyang putback. Wala pa rin. Talagang inaayawan pa rin yung mga tira. But dalawang puntos na naman. 10-0 score. Puntos mga kaibigan. As of now, scoreless pa rin po sila. Samantalang isang hanggang puputukan. Bang! 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 4 points. Boss Ryan Abadilla. Papalaban sa team ng Greece dito sa ating first quarter. Greece mga kaibigan, sila po nasa 4, Japan nasa 10. At yun, for the first time, makikita na po natin. Isang matalim na 2 puntos mula kay Pia Buknoy. At alanganin si Boss Ryan, pasa pala yun para kay Archie Cuyo. Good for 2 points. Pasa na bounce patungo kay Pia Buknoy. Naagaw ng mga taga-Greece mga kaibigan. Asaldo, puts it up and puts it in. Number 14 at the line, 2 shots. First free throw by Makula, good for 1. Quarter with 1 minute and 33 seconds to go. Last and the final free throw, good for 2 points. 14-8 score. In and out, 1 minute for quarter number 1. Nice step from the strong corner, yes sir. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Seiya, good for 2 points. 16-10 score. Ito lamang sa team ng Greece sa ating opening quarter. Greece atake, good for 2 points. Archie Cuyo, 12 against 16. By all the members ng pamilyang USBP dito sa ating lungsod ng Puerto Princesa. Archie Cuyo, ang pamilya natin, 14 ng Greece mga kaibigan. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Outside jumper. Bang! 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 3 points! Sir Jaco Torrejos, the first appearance by Sir Jaco Torrejos. Bumomba agad ng tatuhan mga kaibigan. And the 3-pointer, papalitan. Archie Cuyo, basket, good for 2 points. Pinalilaman po tayo. Archie Cuyo, cross-court pass. Khalil Amamang may tangan ng bola. Going for Sir Nom-Nom, off the window. Ginawang sipatan yung defender. Hello. Naghahanap ng tawag ng ating referee, but not that time. Khalil Amamang biglang sumwak ng dalawa. At dahil pagswak ng Istipona, shots for 3, too short. Hamora nagmamadali. Jumper by Hamora, 2 points. Ang team ng Greece, sila po'y 22 points na. At naiiwan 17 seconds to go. Archie Cuyo, binigyan bola kay Khalil Amamang. Biglang tuwatluhan ang binanatan. Khalil Amamang, 3 points. In the 3 points block. Isang maganda sanang pasahan na yun mga kaibigan kung pumasok lang. May pang highlights naman sana, but Istipona getting in, good for 2 points. Kukunin itong Ralph Makula, tatakbo 14 ng Japan. Inaras itong Hamora, and jumper, bang! Good for 2 points. Yan po yung kauna. Yung Greece pa rin lamang dito mga kaibigan, ang 4 na puntos laban sa team ng Japan. Pero babasagan yan, good for 2 points. First free throw by Archie Cuyo. Outfielder on this is a season 2 ng ating USBP. Reverse play, simply but amazing for Japan. Atin po yan sa ating mga gabayan brother. Gabayan connecting 2, pero babawian din po yan. Itong Archie Cuyo, 14 ng Greece. Score po natin 30-27. By only 3 points yung Greece pa rin kontra sa team ng Japan. Number 14 getting in. Pasok na naman yun from Makula Ralph. 29 shot clock down to 8. Makula, number 14, good for 2 points. 31 against Conquartan Nilalaro. 24 seconds to go. Outside jumper. Hamora, good for 2 points. 52 against 51 score. Lamang po ng isang puntos ang team ng Japan sa pagtatapos. But Seiya connecting first 2 points for the opening. Hari ng ating undergoal na si Seiya, numero 44. Nag-ibabaw na ng 3 puntos pero makakabawi ang Greece ng 2 minutes and 17 seconds to go. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Uli ng mga taga-team pula. And Gabayan, jumper for 2 points. Gabayan, Palawan, USBP. Hatid sa atin ang ating po mga sponsor. Khalil Amamang, way from Southtown to 3 points. Yan, team ng Greece mga kaibigan. Ito po ang gagalaban ng mga nakakulay pula with 6 minutes and 40. Kalin Amama puts it up. And the team ng Greece ngayon, lamang na po ng 2 puntos, 58-56. The team of Greece now by only 2 points. Sila na po yung umaabante for the last and the final quarter. 6 minutes and 28, 100 shots, simple packet. With 10 seconds to go. Sir Jamal Tarejos, napakalakas na pass break. Going to Gabayan, basketball count na naman. Video na deflect yun. Busrayan Abadilla inside Archie Cuyo. The flicksing to the top play. Good for two post by Archie Cuyo. 63 all ang ating score. 5 minutes remaining. Saya jumper. Sinigurado ng veterano. 65 again. Team ng Greece. Sila po yung 2 puntos ang inahabol na 14 ng Japan. Makulap-kulap. Nothing but net. Muling pupunit. Magandang gabi sir. And thank you for watching. 4 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Victorillo jumper. Bingo by Victorillo. 69 against 5. Makula, grabing step na yun. Step back. Greece, mga kaibigan, for the last in the final quarter. And jumper from Sir Ryan. Lugod, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kalin Amama for 3 points. Sir Jack Atareos going for Buknoy. Lugod by Buknoy Taliman. Pero may pag-recover by Makula. Sinibak Jack Atareos. Talaga rin. Sir Jack Lugod. Back Makula. 2 points again. Dinada. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Busrayan Abadilla, bang, 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 3 points! Jersey number 4 committed to foul according to official referee. 2 minutes and 2 seconds to go. First free throw by Gabayan, 3 seconds to go. Kalin Amama nakaligtas, jumper for 2 points. Kalin Amama sisibak na naman. Lamang na lamang ng 24 na ng Japan. Yan po yung natin dapat abangan. But Bo Mendoza jumper for 2 points. Rescued! And put back by Makula. Basketball count. So on the shot clock, 1 minute go! Iwinay Panugod. Shot clock down to 7. A fake jumper book. Noy! Taliman! Bang! Yun ang mga pang...